How's it going, guys? Two Wheel Pursuit here, back again. We are here at RAZEE Motorcycle Center in North Kingston, Rhode Island, and they are kind enough today to let me take a ride on this beautiful 2016 Yamaha R6. It's pretty stock, beautiful color, beautiful yellow, and guys, this is my first time on a 600 Super Sport, so oh boy. Well, let's give it a shot. Oh man. Oh, it feels like it has so much. Oh, the brakes are so good. All right. Oh boy. Oh wow. You were so crunched over. Wow, it's so smooth low. That engine braking. Oh wow. Alright. Easy. Oh my god. This is the 2016 Yamaha R6. And also the first Super Sport I've ever ridden. And man, it is something. So, first thing that is very obvious, you are super crunched up. Like, now I understand what people mean when they say R6 level crunched up on a bike, because you are so crunched up. I mean, this is uncomfortable. But it's not that bad if you do it properly and, you know, hold on to the tank how you're supposed to. I hope I'm going the right way. The power is definitely there. I mean, obviously I'm keeping it in the lower revs because I don't want to do a wheelie or anything like that. This is pretty much a brand new bike, guys. It has 526 miles. Pretty much brand new. Those mirrors, I can't see anything. Oh wow, I'm not gonna open this up or anything, but man, that is crazy. You're so leaned over. I'm not gonna talk about like the specs of this bike or anything. It's my first 600cc bike that I've ever ridden, and I'm kind of just trying to take in that experience. And so far, I have to say, it's a really nice bike. It's really smooth. That inline four is just producing really nice linear power. But you can tell that this is a race bike. I mean, entirely. It is not meant for... Okay, we're on this road. Alright, I do know where I am. Engine braking isn't really all that strong, but those brakes are amazing. One thing to keep in mind is this bike does not have ABS. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is crazy. I don't even want to get into the higher revs because it's like, alright, we doing this? You sure? Let's go. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Oh. Like I said, obviously I'm not going to like go crazy on it or anything, but man. However, we are going to hit some twisty roads right here and see how that goes. Oh, this is not the turn though. Oh, I'm so caught up in how amazing this bike is. And this is a 2016. This is the older generation. It's so smooth. The power delivery is so smooth. That's all I can say. It's just like, the sound is freaking awesome too. Like, oh my god. Oh, I need one. I need one. I need one. Oh my good god, man. Okay. Yeah, there's like not much power down low, but then you get into that power band and just turn into a rocket. It's not even in the power band. I'm only at 8,000 RPM. Oh, I'm having way too much fun. I don't know what gear I'm in either, but it's amazing. Either way, whatever gear I'm in, it's amazing. The sound is just, oh, so good. Let's see how it leans over. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, it leans over so good! Oh my god! Ah, I need one. I need one. I'm getting a 600. That's all there is to it. I'm getting a 600. Maybe not this 600, but I'm getting a 600. I need a 600. Oh my god! Ah, that power! Oh my god! Oh, dude, this shit is intense. Oh my god. I'm not even sure how this video is gonna come out, but I'm just having such a good time right now. It pulls so hard, so freaking hard. Holy crap. You're just like, you teleport from 30 miles an hour to 60 miles an hour. It doesn't care. It's like, oh, you want to go fast? Yeah, we can go fast. That's fine. I'm down. And if you want to be chill, it's totally fine being chill and going a bit slower. The engine doesn't lug. This is my turn. Oh my god, it's so smooth. That slipper clutch too. Oh, the brakes are it's so good. It's such a good bike. Oh my god, man. That is amazing. Holy crap. It like, you can tell it wants to lean over, like more than it should. Oh man. Oh boy. I'm gonna get a super sport, aren't I? Oh. The sound from it, that's a stock pipe too. It sounds so good. Alright, blind driveway. Better slow it down. Alright. Man. Oh, wow. I love the tack too. Like, I didn't think I was gonna like the tack all that much, and obviously there's no gear indicator or whatever. And you know, it's like, that's fine. I don't have a gear indicator on my CBR. But man, this just is aggressive. I was only at 10,000 RPM. It still has 6,000 more to go. What is this bike? Yeah, no, we're not doing that. We're not. I should not get one of these. I'm gonna be dead within a week. Well, once again, big thank you to RAZEE Motorsports for letting me, RAZEE Motorcycle Center, thank you for letting me take this bike on a test ride. It is amazing. That's all I can say. It is amazing. Oof, my butt hurts, but it's okay because this bike is amazing. Oh god. Alright, let's... Oh, I would get so many speeding tickets with this bike, man. So many. So many. I would lose my license. It just teleports. It doesn't... And there, I'm in 6th gear already. Like, it... Oh, man. Oh, boy. What's up? It is such... I mean, to be honest, I can see how someone would start on this bike. I don't think it's a good idea, but after riding one now, I can see how you could start on one and be okay. Alright, if you're gonna go, go. Go. Please. Wanna go fast. No, maybe I should just stay over here. This is my exit. Oh, I don't want to stop though, I want to keep riding it. This bike is crazy. Oh. The slipper clutch makes it so you pretty much don't even need to flip the throttle. I mean, it's so smooth. Oh, I need this power. I need this power. I need a Yamaha. Oh boy. So, and you see it's just totally chill here, like 5,000 RPMs, totally can handle going slow, it doesn't lug the engine or anything. But then if you want to go fast, oh, it'll go fast. It wants to go fast. You can tell. That's like where it's happy. That's where it feels good. Oh. So I would say, honestly, I wouldn't recommend this for a first bike, but you could start out on it if you're really disciplined. If you're not, you're going to end up killing yourself. But I think for like a second bike, like, this feels totally controllable after riding my CBR 500 for almost 2 years. Like, I'm realizing now this is what I need. I need a super sport. It's totally... I was expecting it to be like crazy and like as soon as you hit the throttle even a little bit it's doing wheelies, but it is so good. So easy to control. Oh man. I really don't want to stop riding this bike, but man. Alright. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was pretty much just me freaking out about this bike and saying how amazing it is, because it is amazing. I understand why people love R6s now. This is just, it's just crazy. Oh man. Wow, wow, wow. Kickstand. Alright. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, big thank you to RAZEE Motorcycle Center for letting me ride on this bike. See you guys in the next video.